In this course, we are going to learn Liferay version 7.3, which is the latest version available as of June 2020. This course is for absolute beginners, and in this course, we are going to learn to install Liferay on a Windows or on a Linux machine, and then going to create our first website. Now you must be curious that what are the benefits you are going to get after you learn Liferay. So let me give you a quick overview of that. With Liferay, you can create enterprise level website in few hours, whereas if you use any other framework, it can take months and months of efforts to create an enterprise level website which is robust enough and secure enough to be called an enterprise level website. Liferay provides you tons of out-of-the-box feature, which makes website creating experience so much easy and fun. In just a few clicks, you can create your blog post, you can create forums, you can set up a web page, you can set up security on the web page, and you can also decide what types of users are going to have access on the web page and what are the users which are not going to be allowed to access that web page. So now you understand what is the kind of robustness and security I'm talking about. And I'm going to be your instructor in this course. I have around 10 years of experience working on different tools and technologies, and I have worked on different website building frameworks. So by the end of this course, I will try to make you very familiar to create your own first website and also how to manage your website on day-to-day basis without the need of writing even a single line of code. So what are you waiting for? Enroll for this course, and I'm going to see you inside the course.